Hello students, welcome to Standard 6th. Today we are going to see the next chapter, that is force and type of force. In the first picture we can see that the boat moves ahead with the help of an oar. Every day we perform many actions. Each action requires a force to be applied on the object. No non-living object can move on its own and change its position. Force is applied to change its position. See in the picture, you can see that the boy is kicking the ball. The force is applied to the ball. When the object is in the motion, it can be stopped using force. The direction of moving of an object can be changed due to the force. When we kick the football coming in our direction towards the goal, we apply force. What do we apply? We apply the force to the ball. In day-to-day life, we do many actions such as lifting, pulling, riding a bicycle and stopping it at times, pushing a load, squeezing or bending something and driving vehicles. It is necessary to apply force for doing all these actions. Force is applied to an object to pull it or push it in any manner. No object changes its position on its own. Force is required to move an object. Force is used to change the direction of an object in motion or to stop it. What happens when you hold the two ends of a spring and pull them apart? See in the picture, you can see that the spring is pulled by the two ends. The shape of the spring changes. What do you see? You see the shape of the spring changes. The original shape is lost and the pulled spring acquires a new shape. What happens when a blacksmith hammers a red hot piece of iron? When a blacksmith hammers a red hot piece of iron, it changes its shape. So, force is necessary to change the shape of an object. What is necessary to change the shape of an object? Force is necessary to change the shape of an object. Now we are going to see the types of force. First is muscular force, means the force applied with the muscles. Second is mechanical force, means the force applied with the help of machines. Third is gravitational force, means the force applied by the earth to pull the object towards itself. Fourth is the magnetic force, means the force exerted by a magnet. Fifth is the frictional force, means the force created by the two surfaces upon each, which is against the direction of the motion. Next is electrostatic force, means the force exerted by electrostatically charged materials. First is muscular force. All the actions of our body are performed with the help of bones and muscles. These movements are due to muscular force. See in the picture, you can see that the person in the picture, what you see, is lifting the weight by using muscular force. Muscular force means the force applied with the help of muscles is called muscular force. Next is mechanical force, means for doing many tasks with ease we use machines. Some machines are used with our muscular energy while some are automatic machines which work on electricity or fuel. The force applied by means of a machine is called mechanical force. What is mechanical force? The force applied by means of a machine is called mechanical force. Muscular force is used for running some machines. Some machines are run by using electricity or fuel. Machines like the latter are called automatic machines because a mechanical force is used here. For example, sieving machine, electric pump, washing machine, mixture, etc. Again I repeat, the force applied by means of a machine is called mechanical force.